Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of a lead code, which is lead code 98, validate binary search tree. So in this question you just have to check whether this tree is BST or not. If it is BST, means binary search tree, then you just have to return the true, or if it is not, then you just have to return the false. Okay, so binary, what do you mean by binary search tree? Binary search tree means basically in a left side it is the root value should be greater than it, and from the right side it is lesser than it. Okay, so you just have to check this condition. First I will check through the in order traversal. First I will create vector comma int answer, and I will pass this in a in order code. Okay, root and answer. And first I will write the void in order code. Okay, void in order code, in which I just have to pass the tree node star root comma and vector comma int ampersand answer. Okay, okay, and then you just have to check if root is equals to null, then you just have to return. Okay, and then you just have to pass the in order root ka left comma answer. In order is basically left, root and right, and then you just have to answer dot push back root ka val, and in order root ka right comma answer. Okay, and just write this code. For int I equals to 1, I less than answer dot size, and then I plus plus. You just have to check the if answer of I is less than equals to answer of I minus 1. If it is there, then you just have to return the false. Okay, you just have to check if answer of I is less than equals to answer of I minus 1, then you just have to return false. Okay, uh, if it is not, then you just have to return the true. Okay, let's run this code whether it is running properly or not. There is tree. Okay, I just write tree code. Let's run again. Run. Okay, sorry, there is int. Again I will check. I hope there is no error. Yeah, this works fine. Let's submit this code. Yeah, this has been submitted. Thanks for watching my code.